Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with my wild style. Remember, God loves you. We're going to start with half a cup of almond flour, half a cup of chopped pecans, half a cup of coconut sugar, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 5 tablespoons of butter, now mix to combine that butter until you get a crumbly mixture. For the pumpkin filling, start with a 1/4 cup coconut sugar, 3/4 cups almond flour, half cup coconut flour, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon nutmeg, 2½ teaspoons cinnamon, half teaspoon ginger, half teaspoons cloves, 1½ teaspoons baking soda. Stir this until well combined. Now add the wet ingredients. Start with 4 eggs, 8 tablespoons of butter, a half cup honey, two teaspoons vanilla, one half cup pumpkin, quarter cup of nut milk of your choice, and this mixture is a little thicker than I like, so I'm going to add another half cup of water. I am adding some liners to this muffin tin. And I am going to add a medium scoop of pumpkin mixture in each of these. Now just spread out that mixture a little bit. Now add that streusel topping to each of those muffins. Bake these at 350 for 15 to 18 minutes. I pulled these out at 17 minutes when they were lightly toasted. These smell so amazing, and now it feels like fall is in the air. Let me show you the consistency of this pumpkin muffin. The streusel is so thick and crunchy, it came out just perfect. I want to thank you again for watching this video, and as always, may God bless you.